What makes a difference between a pro editor and an amateur editor? The answer, they know how to use J and L cut. In this video, I'm going to share with you what it is. Let's go! Now, first thing is, what is a J cut? You can get a textbook definition, but the easiest way you can remember is a J cut is simply tomorrow audio cut. Let me repeat that, okay? A J cut is a tomorrow audio cut, okay? Just remember that, okay? And you will remember every time you think of J cut is tomorrow cut, okay? Audio, okay? We talk about audio in this video here, okay? You can also call it like pre-audio. The best way I can explain it to you is to do an example. Right here, I have an audio file. Now, this is simply a normal cut. Nothing happened, okay? Right here, okay? So imagine this was the audio. It's just a normal cut, okay? Now, to make a J cut, which is a tomorrow cut, okay? What we do is move this up a little bit like that, okay? So right now, imagine a J, okay? The audio right here comes before the video. So it's tomorrow audio cut, okay? So with this, right, you warn people what is going to happen to the next scenes. For example, imagine a radio ringing. Ding! That is not a good phone ring, okay? Analog ring, okay? So try that. Right here now, analog ring, then someone pick it up. Hello, okay? But the audio come before that, okay? So I will have a B-roll, pick up the phone, ka-ching, ka-ching, okay? Pick up the phone, okay? Then talk. Now that is the audio come first, okay? Then the video, the actual me picking up the phone or answering the phone. That is how you do a audio cut, okay? A J cut. A J cut is what? Tomorrow audio cut. What is an L cut? It's the opposite. Okay. So the audio from the first scenes, last scenes, come after the video. The best way to remember is a yesterday audio. Okay. So yesterday audio, that is your L cut. Okay? L cut. Now let's make an example in Lumafusion. That is an L cut, right? Right here is an L cut. The J cut is the opposite. The L cut is like that. Imagine this is not a visual for you. Okay, that's an L. Okay, it looks like an L, right? Let me expand this out a little bit. Now it's an L cut. Like that is an L. Totally can picture this. That's an L shape. Okay, I will blur this out so you understand what we're talking about. Okay, so that's an L cut. So the audio is yesterday. Okay, the video comes first, then the audio. This one here, the J cut, let me expand this out a little bit. So imagine a J, okay? A J like that, okay? I will blur this out so you understand what we're talking about. So this is yesterday cut, tomorrow cut, the J cut is tomorrow. So the audio come before the video. The L cut, like this, right, this shape here. The video go first, the audio comes second. So the audio is yesterday. Okay, that's how you remember it. And the easiest way is to do, if you have one file is attached, you just detach it and you just move it around, just like what I did just then. So you just move it around like that. Now that is an L cut. You see the shape? That's an L cut. Let me make a J cut so you can totally understand what I'm talking about. Okay, let me change it to like that one. Move this aside here, make a few copy. Okay, so you have now an L cut right there and a J cut right there. Okay, so the audio goes first. Now let's talk about why we need to use J and L cut. Now usually with J and L cut, it's usually used in dialogue. Okay, audio dialogue. If we have an interview, for example, one person is like this. Okay, one person A, character A, is saying something. Okay, but the audio comes first. You have another reaction. Oh my God! You have this reaction from people, from the other character, okay? Or if you do an interview, then you have a character that's saying it, okay? Then it's more interesting, okay? But don't go overboard, just a little bit touch, a little bit further, and you get the transition smoothly. Now that's the point. Usually J and L cut are used for that scenario, but there's always creative way you can use it, okay, and that is for more experience. Just watch a lot of Stanley Kubrick movie and you know what is a J cut. He's a master of using J and L cut. Okay, so it seemingly convey the story. Okay, the example before, like the telephone, I'll use an example in his video. One of his movie, Eyes Wide Shut, he used it a lot. But I'll give that example when like the main character, the main couple, Nicole Kidman and Tom Cruise, make a dialogue, and there's a phone in the audio, a J cut in the audio first. Okay, so the phone rang, then someone pick it up. So it break up the dialogue, but there's a lot of J and L cut in that dialogue. Okay, so you know Stanley Kubrick, he in one scene he could take at least 20 shots. Okay, at least 20. So he will exhaust out the actor and the actress. He's a master of an editor. So he will cut out the best part that he thinks is good. If you want to learn J and L cut, watch a lot of Stanley Kubrick movies and you know how it's applied. I'll give you an example, okay, in the B-roll, okay? So you know what I'm talking about. Are you using J and L cut in your video editing? From now on, you know what is a J cut, what's an L cut. So you must incorporate that in your video production. Let's go out there and experiment with J and L cut. Nothing harm done, you're gonna break the app, Lumafusion. So go out there and enjoy it. Experiment with J and L cut and see how it goes. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.